How to create your own happiness in life. You don't need to go crying off in the corner when life decides to give you some lemons. Instead, what you should do is grab those lemons and make some delicious lemonade. With that said, in this presentation, I'm going to show you how you can turn the negatives into positives and create your happiness in the process. Love yourself first. It's impossible to be truly happy if you don't love yourself. Don't think for a moment that you're selfish if you prioritize your needs first. As long as you're not stepping on anybody, feel free to indulge and treat yourself to something nice every once in a while. Schedule some time off, go to the beach, or take a hike in the mountains. Don't aim for perfection. Aiming for perfection will only set yourself up for some big-time disappointment. No one's perfect, so why bother aiming for something that's practically impossible? If you want to be happy, aim for something more realistic, like aiming to be the best at something. There's always room for you to grow. There's always the next ceiling or record to beat. It will give you something to look forward to. Meeting goals is a great reason to be happy, so make sure you aim for something you can actually achieve. Do what you love to do. It's so hard to imagine being happy when you're doing something you don't particularly enjoy. So if you want to be happy, spend your time doing the things you love. You'll barely feel time passing by. Sure, you may get physically tired, but your spirit won't. You'll feel happiness deep within you, and that's when you know you're doing something really worthwhile. Look back at what you've achieved so far. It's so easy to get lost in the chase. You're always looking forward to something, always trying to achieve goals and milestones. But sometimes you'll find yourself getting left behind. When you experience that, you feel let down and maybe even depressed. Why don't you take a minute to think about what you've achieved so far? Don't those count for something? I'm sure it does. So stop feeling sorry for yourself. Cherish those achievements and feel proud of yourself. Use that as fuel to continue your onward march.